The first player on the pitch of the football formation asset allocation is you. You are the most important player on the pitch. You can have an impact on the game that you're playing. You have an impact on the pitch of life. You have the impact on the decisions and the choices that you make. You can choose your players on the pitch and you can choose how much to invest. So you can choose what to invest in and when to invest. You have an impact of, you can choose your education, you can choose how much experience you get, and you can choose how much you get paid in your job, your day-to-day job. If you want to get paid more, you can have more experience, get trained, get better skills. This means that you have the ability to invest more. You can get more experience, which means you're going to get paid more. The more value you add to someone's life, then the more you're going to get paid. The secret is pay yourself first and then invest the difference. You can earn more than you spend. Once you earn more than you spend, then you can invest the difference. If you invest that into the stock market, then this is going to start building up your net worth. These assets are going to start working for you. You can also have insurance. So insurance is a loss against death or a loss against injury. You're playing on the pitch of life and unpredictable things can happen. So insurance can be if you die, or if you have an injury, or if you lose your job, you can get insured against this. So the two factors to look for if you need insurance: if you have debt or if you have dependence, or the third factor is if you have disease. So you have debt like a mortgage. Debt doesn't die with you, so it's prudent to have that covered. So if you die and you don't pay those mortgage payments every month, if you have insurance, that mortgage can get paid off, so you don't have to worry your family about paying that yourself. If you have dependents like children or elderly parents, you can have dependents that are going to require your income every month. You can have insurance to cover you for that. And if you have disease, no one knows what's going to happen in life. You can have a horrible disease and you can have insurance to cover you. And this is going to be a massive peace of mind that's going to actually help prevent loss and worry. And this is going to prevent stress and worry for yourself and your family. So this is the first player on the pitch. This is you. You're out on the pitch with sweat, blood and mud, having an impact on the pitch of life. And this is the football formation, player one.